Good afternoon, students. Today, in continuation of state variable analysis, we will discuss different methods of writing state equation. Next method is parallel decomposition. Here, question is given: construct the state model. Construct the state model for a system characterized by differential equation given by this. Also give the block diagram representation of state model. Equation is given by this d cube y by dt cube plus 6 d square y by dt square plus 11 dy by dt plus 6y is equal to 0. Taking Laplace transform and assume that all initial conditions are 0, we get s cube ys plus 6 s square ys plus 11 s ys plus 6 ys is equal to us. So ys by us, ys is output, us is input. So ys by us is written like this, and this is a transfer function. Then this equation can be written like this: 1 by ys by us is equal to 1 by s plus 1, s plus 2 and s plus 3. Then we write this equation in differential format. Is a by s plus 1 plus b by s plus 2 plus c by s plus 3. Then it is written when we calculate the value of a, b and c, we get the final equation is written like ys by us is equal to half divided by s plus 1 plus minus 1 divided by s plus 2 plus half divided by s plus 3. Or we can write this equation like this: ys is equal to half divided by s plus 1 multiplied by us plus minus 1 divided by s plus 1 us plus half divided by s plus 3 us. Or we can say that ys is equal to x1s, x2s and x3s. x1s is half divided by s plus 1 us. Or we can here this equation can be written as x1s x1s plus x1s is equal to half us. If we take inverse Laplace transform of this, we get, because here s is present in x1s, it means that this is the differentiation. So we can write this term sx1s is equal to dx1 by dt is equal to minus x1 plus half u, or dx1 by dt is equal to minus x1 plus 0 x2 plus 0 x3 plus half u. Similarly, x2s is also simplified in this form. Then x2 dx2 by dt is equal to minus 2x2 minus u, and this is written in this form. Similarly, x3 is written half s divided by s plus c us, or it is written as s x3s plus 3 x3s plus half us. If we take inverse Laplace transform for this term, we get dx3 by dt is equal to minus 3x3 plus half u, or dx3 by dt is equal to 0x1 plus 0x2 minus 3x3 plus half u. And from these three equations, from this equation, from this equation and from this equation, we can write the state model, and state model will be x1 dx1 by dt, dx2 by dt, and dx3 by dt is equal to minus 1 0 0 0 minus 2 0, and in this vector column matrix minus 1. Similarly, from this equation 0 0 minus 3 and half, and by using y is equal to x1 x2 x3, we can write y is equal to 1 1 1. This is a row matrix, row vector, and x1 x2 and x3. By using this equation, we can write output equation y is equal to 1 1 1 means row matrix, and this column matrix means 1 is multiplied by x1, so x1 plus x2 plus x2, y is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x2. So we get state equation and output equation. Then by using this equation, we can draw block diagram. x1 s is equal to half divided by s plus 1 us. So we can write x1 s divided by us is equal to half 1 by s, 1 plus 1 by s. If we divide by s, so we get this equation, and 1 by s. 1 by s means 1 integration. So we can also write, leave this, x1 by us is equal to half 1 by s, 1 minus 1 1 by s, and this equation is written in this feedback formula. Means value of gs is 1 by s, value of hs is minus 1, gs, value of gs is 1 by s. So this can be implemented in block diagram. This is the forward part, and value of gs is 1 by s. 1 by s is the integration, 1 integration. So in gs, here we write we take 1 integration, this integration, and in feedback path minus 1, value of hs is minus 1. So in feedback path we draw a block diagram, block, and value of this block is minus 1, and this is output of this block is given to the summing point, and here this is 1. So this in one block is also added, so here we get half u plus minus x1. Here this is the integrator, and at the output of integrator we always assign a state variable which is x1. So in the input of this integrator we get x1 dx1 by dt. Clear? So dx1 by dt is equal to half u plus minus x1. dx1 by dt is equal to half u minus x1. Clear? Here dx1 by dt is equal to half u plus minus x1. So we can say that this is simply implemented because there is order of this transfer order of this transfer function is 1, or order of denominator is 1. So we take one integrator, and for this plus 1 we include minus 1 in the feedback part, and this is a summation point, and for this half we take a block whose transfer function is half. Clear? Then for second is x2. x2 is equal to minus 2x1 minus u. Here one integration, and at the output of this integrator we assign second state variable x2. So at the input of integrator we get dx2 by dt, and from this side value of feedback or the value of hs is minus 2. Minus 2, why it is minus 2? Because for second case order is 1, so we take one integrator, and in the feedback path minus 2 is added, and gain of the forward path is minus 1. So first second integrator, and out at the output of this integrator we assign state variable x2. At the input of this we get dx2 by dt, and from this output the value of hs is minus 2, and here we get minus 1. Similarly for third case we take one integrator, and out at the output of integrator assign the value of x is state variable. So here we get dx3 by dt, and yt is equal to, in this case, half ut plus minus 3x. dx3 by dt is equal to half ut minus 3x. Yeah. And all these are connected in parallel because in this the transfer function is added. It means that we know that in block diagram reduction technique, if blocks are connected in parallel, they are reduced into single block, and transfer function of this block is simply the sum of transfer function of each. Since here transfer function is addition of individual transfer function, so all the blocks are added in parallel. Because if we reduce this block into a single block, then the transfer function of this block, transfer function of this block, transfer function of this block, all are added. The next method is, in this case, in this example, y of s divided by u of s, or transfer function is given by 10 divided by s plus 1 whole square s plus 2. So it is written in partial fraction form. Y of s divided by u of s is equal to a by s plus 2 plus b by s plus 1 plus c by s plus 1 whole square. Clear? All transfer functions are added, means these are connected in parallel. And first we calculate the value of these ABC by partial fraction method. Value of A is 10, value of B is minus 10, and value of C is 10. Then y of s divided by u of s is written as 10 divided by s plus 2 plus minus 10 divided by s plus 1 plus 10 divided by s plus 1 whole square. Then we have to write state model and draw the block diagram of this equation. These two are connected in parallel. So first we implement this term. Order of denominator is 1. It means we take one integrator, assign x1 as a state variable. So here we get dx1 by dt, and since in the denominator s plus 2, we take in the feedback minus 2 here, and then multiplied by 10. This block is added here, or you can add this block here. So we get 10 divided by s plus 2. This term is implemented by this block diagram. Next is minus 10 divided by s plus 1. Take one integrator, assign state variable x2, and since it is s plus 1, in feedback part take minus 1, and then take multiply with this, means take minus 10. This minus 10 is multiplied by this, so here we get minus 10 divided by s plus 1. Clear? Then in the third term, we get 10 divided by s plus 2, s plus 1 whole square. S plus 1, 1 by s plus 1 is implemented by this. Similarly, if we connect another block, this is also 1 by s plus 1, and both are connected in series, so they are multiplied. So we get, here we get 1 plus 1 by s plus 1 whole square, and when we add this block, then we get 10 divided by s plus 1 whole square, and all these are added in summing point, and we get y is equal to 10x1 plus minus 10x2 plus 10x2. And using this block diagram, we can write dx1 by dt is equal to u plus minus 2x1. So dx1 by dt is written as minus 2x1 plus x0 x2 plus 0 x3 plus u. Similarly, dx2 by dt is written as u minus x2. Then it is written like this. And in third case, x3, dx3 by dt is equal to x2 and minus x3. So dx3 by dt is equal to x2 minus x3, which is written as 0x1 plus x2 minus x3. And output equation, y is equal to plus 10x1 minus 10x2 plus 10x3. And from these equations, these four equations, we can write state model easily. dx1 by dt, dx2 by dt and dx3 by dt is written as minus 2, 0, 0 and 1 here. Next, dx2 by dt is written as 0, 1, minus 1, 0, minus 1, 0 and 1, 0, minus 1, 0 and 1. And dx3 by dt is written as 0, 1, minus 1 and 0. Here it is 0. So in this column vector we get 0. And using this equation we can easily write y is equal to 10 minus 10, 10 and x1, x2, x3. This 10 is multiplied by x1 means 10x1 minus 10x2 plus 10x3 is equal to y. Then a feedback system. Next question is, a feedback system is characterized by closed loop transfer function Ts. Ts is given by s square plus 3s plus 3 divided by s3 plus 2s square plus 3s plus 1. Draw a suitable signal flow graph and obtain the state model. Previously you have given transfer function and you have to draw block diagram and write state model equation. But in this case, you have to draw signal flow graph. So this Ts is written in this form. If we divide numerator and denominator by S3, we get this equation like this, and we write this equation. So here this is the loop gain, second loop gain L2, and this is the L3. These are the loop gains, and this is the sum of forward path. So T1 is forward, this is forward path, T1 is forward path 1 by S. Next second forward path is 3 by S square, and third forward path is 3 by S cube. And these are the individual loop gains. And here we assume that del 1, del 2 and del 3 all are 1 with no combination of non-touching loops. There are no 2 non-touching loop or no 3 non-touching loop in this case. So this can be first forward path is 1 by S. Second forward path is 3 by S2 and third forward path is 3 by S2. 1 by S. First forward path First forward path 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 by S multiplied by 1. Means this is the first forward path, and first forward path is equal to 1 by S. And path gain of this forward path is 1 by S. So start with forward path whose transfer function is 1 by S, and this 1 by S, put this 1 by S in this. 1 by s is integrator. So at the output of this integrator, assign x1, and so we get at the input of integrator dx1 by dt, and this x1 is equal to phi of n. Clear? Next forward path is 3 by s square. So next forward path is 1 multiplied by 3 multiplied by s, 1 by s, and 1 multiplied by 1 by s, and so second forward path क्या होगा? This is the second forward path, which is equal to 3 divided by s square. In this case, we get 1 by s, means this is the integrator. At the output of this integrator, assign x2, and here we get dx2 by dt, and this x2 is equal to dx1 by dt. Then for third forward path, this is the third forward path, which is equal to 3 divided by s cube. So 1 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 1 by s multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 by s3 multiplied by 1 by s3 is forward path gain is 3 by s cube. This is the third integrator, and at the output of this integrator we assign state variable x3. So here we get dx3 by dt. So all the forward paths are assigned in this graph. Then loop gain is, first loop gain is minus 2 by s. So this is the forward path gain is 1 by s, and if feedback path is, if we assign this feedback path minus 2, so we get the loop gain L1 is minus 2 by s. Second loop gain is 1 by s multiplied by 1 by s multiplied by minus c s square. And third loop gain is 1 by s multiplied by 1 by s multiplied by 1 by s multiplied by minus 1. It means that loop gain is minus 1 divided by s cube. So this is the signal flow graph, and from this signal flow graph we can easily find out this is the output, us is input. So ys is equal to x1, and this dx1 by dt is equal to dx1 by dt is equal to x2 plus u1 u plus minus 2y. dx1 by dt is equal to x2 plus u plus minus 2y. So we can write this as it is equal to minus 2x1 plus x2 plus u. Similarly, dx2 by dt is equal to x3 plus 3u and plus or minus 3y. And dx2 by dt is equal to minus 3x1 plus x3 plus 3u. And similarly, dx3 by dt is equal to minus 3u. This is minus 3u and minus y. So we can write y is equal to x1. So we can write this as dx3 by dt is equal to minus x1 plus 3u. And from this we can write the state equation dx1 by dt, dx2 by dt and dx3 by dt is equal to -2 -1, value of x3 is 0, so 0, and similarly -3 0 -1, and in this case 3, and for third -1 0 0 x3 plus 3. So we get the state equation. Similarly, from y is equal to x1, y is equal to x1, so it can be written as y is equal to 1 0 0 x1 x2 x3. So it is y is equal to x1. We can write here, we can write state model and also draw the signal flow graph. Okay, I will be finding out more question, and thank you.